my ladies.
All right, y'all. So we're keeping the gifts going, right? We're keeping the gifts going. I've lost count at this point. Am I at like 6 or 7? Let's see where I am. Okay, so I had to recheck. I'm on day 6, and day 6's gift for myself is a table. I've been wanting a new kitchen table. My kitchen table, we never really technically had a kitchen table. When we moved in here, we brought all furniture from our old home to here, which we were renting at home, and it was much smaller. So our table, our kitchen table, and our dining room table was really the same thing. Well, here, obviously, I have a dining room, but I also have a kitchen. So we had to get 2 separate tables. So that table that we had for the dining room at the old place was never, it was never fitting for this place, that kitchen, because that kitchen is on a smaller side. So I knew I was going to have to eventually get another table. I really have a hard time picking out furniture, so I couldn't settle on what I wanted. My furniture has to be durable. It also has to be very dark for the most part. Although this white couch right here is not dark, obviously, but my other couches are. And that's because I got kids. They messy. They fuck shit up, right? So I'm like, whatever table I get, and we are hard on tables, whatever table I get needs to be durable, but it also needs to be fitting for the space, right? So I was looking, and I couldn't decide on anything for months. So then I just so happened to see this Pinterest that I liked, and I was like, okay, I kind of like these vibes. Even though it's not the same exact vibe as the Pinterest that I saw, it's very similar. So I guess we're going to prepare the gift for day 6. I just wanted to tell you guys what was going on before I start opening stuff up, and y'all like, what the fuck is going on here? So I'm going to open the table up. This is my first time seeing it, so this is gonna be like a first reaction with y'all. It wasn't expensive, but it wasn't cheap neither. Okay, so let's take a look. Oh.
Let's get it.
Give it to him, OJ the DJ.
Now that you're here, I got something to say, baby. I think that you should know you're doing the motion, so don't worry about the situation. I never let you go. Can you handle it if I go there, baby, with you? You ain't never seen a trip. I can handle it. I can guide you there, baby, with you. Oh, he's talking. Don't just let a minute slip. Can you handle it? You can handle it, baby. You ain't never seen a trip. We gon' set it off. We gon' tear it up. Baby, can you handle it? Don't just let a minute slip. Just
Hey y'all, it is the afternoon of some days later. Like, this is my birthday month, so I'm just trying to like live it up. And I took off from work for the next almost week. And so I'm talking to Honey while I'm on my lunch break, and he was like, hey, you want to go to a game? And I'm like, of course. But I did want to use this opportunity to try what did I want to try? I wanted to try this True Batch by L'Oreal. I tried to color match myself in the store, and it was okay. But you know those lights in the store, it was actually good. It was really good, honestly. Let me stop lying. But y'all know them lights in the store are like not reliable. Like, you ever put something on in the store, it look good, and then when you leave, you like, what the fuck is this? But I absolutely need a primer with literally everything that I wear on my face, because my skin is so, I don't know, just like greasy, and just not cooperative. So I'm using this e.l.f. Power Grip, the matte primer, which I used it one time, and let me tell y'all something. Is it too soon to say I love it? Because I didn't have any problems the last time I had it on. My makeup lasted pretty much all night. So we're gonna see now. Now right away, this makeup is really liquidy. So Okay, that's not bad. I was gonna say, I'm guessing it'll just go on my skin pretty smooth, which that's what I want. I don't want a heavy makeup today because, you know, game outside in the elements, with the boys. I don't really want anything heavy on my face. Oh, baseball. We going to a baseball game. I've been to one of these once before and I really had fun. But we went to a Sox game. I'm not sure if we're going to Sox or Cubs today, but either way it's fine with me. I do think I should bring like a hoodie or something because it's 75 now, but by the time the sun go down, it's probably gonna be 65.
Give it to him, OJ the DJ.
Now that you're here, I got something to say, baby. I think that you should know you're doing the motion, so don't worry about the situation.
Okay, so now you guys are on a tripod, but we are walking to the stadium, the Sox stadium. What the hell? Birthday gift 8. What? What? We in Chicago? So let's hope that the Sox do what they need to do and we go ahead and bring this home. You know what I'm talking about? Period. I'm always rooting for my city before anything, so. So literally, why are you guys so close? What's the problem? Literally, I don't know what these intermissions are with baseball, but there's some sort of, is it halftime? Honestly, I don't know. Not many people vlog in Chicago, and I be telling y'all that because every time I'm vlogging, people looking at me like I'm crazy. They like, what the fuck is going on? But it's just a girl and her camera. Like, what is the problem? I want some food. I want like some real, we had like an Impossible hot dog, but I want like some real live food at this point. I'm not real sure what's going on. So now I'm about to go, obviously this is the next morning. Now I'm about to go to Starbucks. I need a little pick-me-up, okay? I also need to figure out at this point, what the hell am I doing with my hair? Something is telling me to wear it natural as well. Now that I'm thinking about it, I'm advising myself against it because the maintenance and the upkeep of my hair when it's down is too much. It's too much. And then by me having oily skin, my hair gets greasy fast, way fast. So like within 2 days, my hair is already greasy or starting to get greasy, which is like annoying to me because that means I can't put much product in there, if any. There have been some times where I've silk pressed my hair with absolutely no product because my skin is that greasy that eventually it's gonna create some oil, you know what I'm saying? So I think I don't think I'm gonna go that route. I think the route I'm gonna go is the ponytail, my first mine. I kind of want like a flip ponytail, like a Barbie type ponytail. So I'm just trying to like weigh my options and do the best style, but also with the least maintenance. And additionally, one that's gonna be cute for my birthday, but one that's gonna last. I'm just trying to figure it out before I actually go to the beauty supply store and start getting stuff for my hair. I know I need some Got2b glue. I think I have everything else, and I need the actual hair. That's it. If I got them two, baby, watch out. Give me that in the blow dryer. Watch the fuck out, okay? We in here. Now, food-wise, I don't know. I've been a lot of places, and it's like, I love Pappadeaux. I want to go somewhere. It does not have to be super expensive. I feel like I done expensive restaurant myself to death, okay? And I do that shit on the regular. I really want some food that's good, that I like a lot. Pappadeaux, I like a lot. It's just something about the seafood that I really, really like. And so last time I went, I got no salt. I didn't particularly care for that. The food itself was good, but I wish it had some seasoning. It did not. So I'm going to, next time, do light salt and see where that takes me. I just looked on my email. I'm irritated. My birthday dress from Fashion Nova, they're talking about it'll be here on the 12th. Baby, that's not what y'all told me. Y'all told me the 9th. Then y'all told me the 10th. Now y'all telling me the 12th. And I should have got overnight shipping from Fashion Nova, but I ordered this a week and a half ago. I figured it would be here by my birthday. I'm like, I know it'll be here by then. For safety's sake, I'm just gonna order a backup dress. Yeah, girl, I don't know. It's all too much for me. I'll be fine either way, but that's just annoying. Like, if you say you're gonna do something, just do it. Like, I'm just confused as to what the issue was. There's no extreme weather that I know of. It's pretty clear out here. I ordered it in time. I don't know. So I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna order a backup dress. I have shoes. I have not really worn my Tom Fords, and I have to get some accessories. That's like the one thing that I absolutely don't have any of for my birthday, like accessories. So anywho, y'all, I'm going home. I'm going home to edit. I'm going home to chill. My kids get out of school early today. Every Wednesday they have an early dismissal, so they will be getting out early, and I don't have a lot of time to myself this morning. So I'm gonna get in there, get some work done, and then by the time I'm finished editing most of the stuff, then they'll be ready to get out of school. So yeah. Okay, y'all. So I went to Walmart and got a couple of items. It's just little stuff that we needed. Honey wanted some peach kava, and I think I showed y'all once before. I basically use canned peaches with that. So we got peaches and heavy syrup. We got pie crust. He wanted to try the coconut kind. I don't really know what to think about the coconut kind, but I love the blueberry Velvetas. This is my ultimate favorite snack. This right here, don't play with me. And then we got something else. Oh, he got some chips. He got some Simply Doritos. And then we got these mixes. We were going to get Jiffy cornbread, but then we was like, you know what? I'm like, I want some flavored cornbread. And I don't know if y'all remember, but they used to have like banana, blueberry. But anyway, they don't have them anymore. So we found these, and I guess we're going to try these. It say just add milk. So, yeah. Oh, and I got some mixed vegetables because we are about to eat some chicken noodle soup. So I got my noodles. My chicken is going. I got my bouillon cubes, my seasoning. So, yeah.